All right, guys. In this video, we're going to talk about ticker symbol TEM, and that's going to be Tempus AI. Now, huge moves in here in the past two trading sessions. Went from around a $70 stock all the way up to about 91.45 today is actually technically the highs that we hit in here today. So that is a big $20 move in just two trading sessions. You got the volume in here to prove it. RSI extremely overbought as well. So on the daily, we're kind of looking at this. Okay, this is a little cup. Then we're going to have a little handle, then a breakout. But really only a week's worth of a handle in here before this huge move. We actually broke above our upper trend line here that we had drawn. Thought that that was maybe going to bring some resistance the way it closed yesterday. But today, the way it opened, went back down, retested that, and then we had that high in there of 91.45. Ended up closing up here at the $89 range. So going forward, what are we looking at? Well, we got to see if we're going to retest this again and respect this trend line once more. That's at that $84 mark. Below that, you're going to be looking at the $75 range to that $70 level. So it's going to be a $5 channel in there, 70 to 75. That's going to be a huge support for us and letting us know, hey, if we consolidate in here and then break above that 75 again, then it's time to get long. But if we can't hold that 70 level, then it's going to be going back down here to that 65.2 area, which is that 38.2% fib retrace. So we have the fib tool on in here because we hit all-time highs on the daily. So resistance wise, we're just going to watch our whole numbers going forward until the chart tells us otherwise. Now, volatility wise, what does the options chain tell us? Well, volatility is through the roof, and that's because the volume in here and the RSI are telling us that as well. So big move in here, 569 on the day. IV rank in here, 59. Your IV pricing in right around a $9 expected move by next Friday, or this coming Friday, I'm sorry. And then the 28th expiration, which is going to hold your earnings cycle, that is pricing in right around a $16 expected move. So we could just be pricing in everything to earnings. We'll have to wait and see, but we still have a whole another week and a half before we actually have that earnings report. So again, we're going to be watching this 84 level in here, see if we respect this trend line. We breach it, go back down, 75s. If we confirm it, stay above it, 91.45, above 91.45. Nice whole numbers in here as our resistance. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We have descriptions for them in the link here. And we also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all the socials in the description below.